14 years ago, I started keeping a detailed database of every engine that came through my shop. Every repair, every failure, every inspection, every high-mileage vehicle. I documented the make, model, engine code, mileage at failure, type of failure, and maintenance history. 14 years later, that database contains records on over 3,200 Japanese engines. And the results shocked me. Engines with legendary reputations failed earlier than expected. Engines nobody talks about lasted far longer than their reputation suggested. Today I'm sharing the complete rankings. Every major Japanese engine ranked by how long it actually lasts based on real-world data from over 3,200 engines tracked over 14 years. Not marketing claims, not manufacturer promises, not forum opinions. Actual data from real engines that came through my shop. I've been wrenching for 19 years, and this ranking is going to change how you think about which Japanese engine to buy. Let's get into it. How I ranked these engines. Every vehicle that came through my shop for any reason got entered into my database. I recorded the engine code, current mileage, reason for visit, any failures found, and maintenance history if available. For this ranking, engine failure means one of three things: major internal failure requiring engine rebuild or replacement, chronic issues requiring more than $1,500 in engine-specific repairs within 30,000 miles, or terminal oil consumption exceeding 1 quart per 1,000 miles. The rankings below represent well-maintained engines with regular oil changes. Poorly maintained engines fail much earlier, regardless of design quality. S tier, engines that run forever. Number 1. Toyota 2 AZ-FE, 2.4-liter 4-cylinder, 2001 to 2012. Sample size, 312 engines tracked average mileage at major failure, 387,000 miles, reaching 300,000 miles without major failure, 89%. The 2 AZ-FE is the single most reliable engine I've ever tracked. Found in the Camry, RAV4, Highlander, and Solara, this engine is a masterpiece of conservative engineering. Simple design, no direct injection, no variable valve lift, just a proven, overbuilt 4-cylinder that refuses to die. The only consistent weakness, spark plug thread stripping in the aluminum head on high-mileage engines. Fixed cost, $200 to $400 using thread inserts. Not catastrophic. Of 312 engines tracked, only 34 had major failures before 300,000 miles, and 28 of those had documented maintenance problems. What kills it? Extended oil change intervals beyond 7,500 miles and incorrect oil viscosity. Verdict: buy any vehicle with this engine without hesitation. Number 2. Honda K24, 2.4-liter 4-cylinder, 2001 to 2015. Sample size, 287 engines tracked average mileage at major failure, 362,000 miles, reaching 300,000 miles without major failure, 84%. The K24 is Honda's greatest engineering achievement. Found in the Accord, CR-V, Element, and TSX, this engine combines performance with incredible durability. The VTEC system is bulletproof. The timing chain lasts the life of the engine in well-maintained examples. The one consistent issue: VTC actuator rattle on cold starts after 150,000 miles. Cost to fix? $400 to $600. Annoying but not fatal. Of 287 tracked engines, 46 had major failures before 300,000 miles. Of those, 39 had documented oil change intervals exceeding 7,500 miles. What kills it? Neglected oil changes. This engine is more sensitive to oil quality and interval than the 2 AZ-FE. Verdict: exceptional engine. One of the best Honda ever built. Number 3. Toyota 1 GR-FE, 4.0-liter V6, 2003 to present. Sample size, 143 engines tracked average mileage at major failure, 341,000 miles, reaching 300,000 miles without major failure, 81%. The 1 GR-FE powers the Tacoma, 4Runner, Tundra, and FJ Cruiser, the most reliable V6 I've ever tracked. Massively overbuilt, the 4.0-liter displacement means it's never working hard under normal conditions. The timing chain is virtually indestructible. The only consistent weakness: carbon buildup on intake valves in later dual-injection models. Fixed cost: $600 to $1,200 for walnut blasting. What kills it? Almost nothing with proper maintenance. I've seen 1 GR-FE engines at 400,000 plus miles running perfectly. Verdict: the most reliable V6 in Japanese automotive history. Number 4. Toyota 2GR-FE 3.5-liter V6 2005 to present. Sample size: 198 engines tracked average mileage at major failure, 318,000 miles, reaching 300,000 miles without major failure. 76% Toyota's most common modern V6, found in the Camry, Highlander, Sienna, and Lexus RX. Exceptionally reliable with one significant exception. The 2007 to 2011 version has a documented oil consumption problem due to piston ring design. The 2012 Plus redesigned version fixed this completely and is one of Toyota's best engines. What kills it? Oil consumption in 2007 to 2011 versions if not monitored. Verdict: avoid 2007 to 2011. Buy 2012 Plus without hesitation. If you want to know which specific model years to seek out and which to avoid for every major Japanese engine, along with the maintenance schedule that maximizes their lifespan, check out the 500,000-mile car maintenance blueprint I've linked in the description. It breaks down engine-specific maintenance requirements, exact oil specifications for every engine on this list, and the complete step-by-step schedule from 30,000 to 500,000 miles. This Japanese mechanic-approved plan will save you thousands by helping you choose the right engine and maintain it correctly from day one. A tier: excellent long-term reliability. Number 5. Mazda Skyactiv G 2.5 liters, 2012 to present. Sample size: 167 engines tracked average mileage at major failure, 287,000 miles, reaching 250,000 miles without major failure. 82% Mazda's Skyactiv G is genuinely impressive. High compression ratio, 13:1, with remarkable reliability. Simple design, no direct injection problems, excellent build quality. Main weakness: timing chain stretch at high mileage, beginning around 180,000 to 220,000 miles without proper maintenance. With 5,000-mile oil changes, timing chains regularly last 300,000 plus miles. What kills it? Extended oil changes. The high compression ratio makes this engine more sensitive to oil quality than Toyota designs. Verdict: excellent engine, competitive with Toyota reliability when maintained properly. Number 6. Honda J35 3.5-liter V6, 1998 to present. Sample size: 221 engines tracked average mileage at major failure, 271,000 miles, reaching 250,000 miles without major failure. 74%. Found in the Accord V6, Pilot, Odyssey, and Ridgeline, the J35 is Honda's flagship V6. Two consistent weaknesses: VCM, variable cylinder management, in 2008 to 2017 versions causes oil consumption and carbon buildup, and timing belt service must be done at exactly 105,000 miles. Missed timing belt replacement destroys this engine completely. What kills it? Missed timing belt service. VCM oil consumption in affected model years. Verdict: strong engine, but requires specific attention to timing belt and VCM management. Number 7. Subaru FA20FB20, 2.0 liters, 2.5 liters, 2012 to present. Sample size: 134 engines tracked average mileage at major failure, 248,000 miles, reaching 200,000 miles without major failure. 71% Subaru's modern replacement for the problematic EJ25 is significantly more reliable with no head gasket issues. The naturally aspirated FB25 is considerably more reliable than the turbocharged FA20DIT. What kills it? Extended oil changes on turbo versions. Naturally aspirated versions are much more forgiving. Verdict: a massive improvement over EJ engines. Buy naturally aspirated for best reliability. If you made it this far, then consider liking this video, giving it a thumbs up, and subscribing to my channel. This helps me bring you more honest car advice. B tier: good reliability with significant caveats. Number 8. Toyota 2ZR-FE 1.8-liter 4-cylinder 2006 to present. Sample size: 189 engines tracked average mileage at major failure, 231,000 miles, reaching 200,000 miles without major failure. 68%. Found in the Corolla and Matrix. This engine is a mixed bag. The 2009 to 2013 versions have documented oil consumption issues. Toyota extended the warranty on these for oil consumption complaints. The 2014 Plus redesigned version largely resolved the problem. What kills it? Oil consumption in early versions. Owners who don't monitor oil levels find seized engines. Verdict: avoid 2009 to 2013. The 2014 Plus version is considerably more reliable. Number 9. Honda R18R20, 1.8 liters, 2.0 liters, 4-cylinder 2006 to 2015. Sample size: 156 engines tracked average mileage at major failure, 224,000 miles, reaching 200,000 miles without major failure, 65%. Found in the Civic, the R18 is simpler and less performance-oriented than Honda's K-Series. Generally reliable but with documented cylinder bore cracking on 2006 to 2011 Civics, causing coolant leaks between cylinders. Failure rate for cylinder cracking: approximately 15 to 20% of 2006 to 2011 examples. What kills it? Cylinder bore cracking in early versions. Overheating dramatically accelerates this failure. Verdict: reliable in most cases, but cylinder cracking is a real concern for 2006 to 2011 Civics. Number 10. Nissan QR25DE, 2.5-liter 4-cylinder, 2001 to 2012. Sample size: 178 engines tracked average mileage at major failure, 218,000 miles, reaching 200,000 miles without major failure, 61%. Found in the Altima, Sentra, and Raj. The QR25DE is a competent engine with several chronic issues. Oil consumption affects approximately 25% of these engines. Timing chain stretch beginning around 120,000 to 150,000 miles is also recurring. What kills it? Oil consumption combined with owners who don't check levels. Timing chain neglect. Verdict: adequate but requires more attention than Toyota or Honda engines of the same era. C-tier: problematic engines with specific failure patterns. Number 11. Subaru EJ25, 2.5-liter, boxer 4-cylinder, 1995 to 2011. Sample size: 203 engines tracked average mileage at major failure, 142,000 miles, reaching 150,000 miles without major failure, 38%. This is the engine that built and nearly destroyed Subaru's reputation. Approximately 60% of EJ25 engines in my database had head gasket failures before 150,000 miles. The root cause: the aluminum head and iron block expand at different rates through heat cycles. Over thousands of cycles, the head gasket can't maintain its seal. Coolant leaks internally, causing overheating and engine destruction if not caught. Repair cost: $1,500 to $2,500 for head gaskets. If not caught in time, $4,000 to $7,000 for engine replacement. What kills it? Fundamental design flaw. Even perfectly maintained EJ25 engines fail at catastrophic rates. Verdict: avoid if possible. If you own one, monitor coolant religiously and consider prophylactic head gasket replacement at 100,000 miles. Number 12. Honda Earth Dreams 1.5T, 2015 to present. Sample size: 89 engines tracked, newer engine, smaller sample, reaching 150,000 miles without major failure, 71%. Honda's turbocharged direct injection engine found in the 2015 Plus Civic, CR-V, and Accord. Early versions had two serious problems: oil dilution in cold weather, gasoline mixing with engine oil, drastically reducing lubrication, and carbon buildup from direct injection. Honda issued multiple software updates addressing oil dilution. The 2018 Plus versions are significantly improved. What kills it? Oil dilution in cold climates on 2015 to 2017 versions. Verdict: avoid 2015 to 2017. The 2018 Plus versions are significantly improved, but long-term data is still developing. Number 13. Nissan VQ35 DE/HR, 3.5-liter V6 2001 to present. Sample size: 167 engines tracked average mileage at major failure, 198,000 miles, reaching 200,000 miles without major failure, 54%. The VQ35 won multiple Engine of the Year awards when introduced. It ranks 13th on my list. Oil consumption affects 30% of examples over 150,000 miles. Timing chain guides wear and fail at high mileage, causing chain rattle and potential catastrophic failure if ignored. What kills it? Ignored timing chain noise. Oil consumption leading to low oil levels. Verdict: can reach high mileage, but requires vigilant maintenance attention. The overall ranking summary: S-tier, Toyota, 2AZ-FE, 387,000 mile average, 89% reach 300,000. Honda K24, 362,000 mile average, 84% reached 300,000 Toyota 1GR-FE, 341,000 mile average. 81% reached 300,000 Toyota 2GR-FE, 2012 plus, 318,000 mile average. 76% reached 300,000 A-Tier 5. Mazda Skyactiv-G 2.5 liters, 287,000 mile average 6. Honda J35, 271,000 mile average 7. Subaru FA20/FB20, 248,000 mile average B-Tier 8. Toyota 2ZR-FE, 2014 plus, 231,000 mile average 9. Honda R18/R20, 224,000 mile average 10. Nissan QR25DE, 218,000 mile average C-Tier 11. Subaru EJ25, 38% reach 150,000 12. Honda 1.5T, 2015 to 2017, documented early failures 13. Nissan VQ35DE/HR, 54% reached 200,000. The shocking findings. Finding number 1, Toyota dominates completely. 4 of the top 4 slots are Toyota engines. This dominance isn't close. Toyota's S-Tier engines outlast everything else by 50,000 to 100,000 miles on average. Finding number 2, engine awards mean nothing. The Nissan VQ35 won Engine of the Year multiple times. It ranks 13th. Marketing reputation and real-world reliability are completely disconnected. Finding number 3, simplicity beats technology. Every S-Tier engine is technologically conservative. No turbochargers, no direct injection, no cylinder deactivation. Simple designs outlast sophisticated technology every time. Finding number 4, oil changes matter more than anything. The single biggest predictor of engine longevity across all 3,200 engines is oil change frequency and quality. Engines with 5,000-mile interval history outlast identical engines with 7,500 to 10,000-mile intervals by 80,000 to 120,000 miles. Finding number 5, the Subaru EJ25 is worse than its reputation. Seeing 60% failure rates before 150,000 miles in real data is far worse than even the bad reputation suggests. The bottom line: 14 years of data on 3,200 engines tells a clear story. Toyota builds the most reliable engines in Japanese automotive history. Honda's K24 is the only real competitor for the top spot. Mazda's Skyactiv technology is underrated, and the Subaru EJ25 is significantly worse than most people realize. The engines that last longest share common traits: simple design, conservative engineering, and decades of refinement. The engines that fail early share different traits: complex technology and design decisions prioritizing performance over longevity. Choose your engine wisely, maintain it correctly, and check your oil level between changes regardless of which engine you own. Before you go, make sure to grab the 500,000-mile car maintenance blueprint in the description. It includes engine-specific maintenance schedules for every engine ranked today, exact oil specifications, and change intervals that maximize each engine's lifespan, and the complete step-by-step plan from 30,000 to 500,000 miles. You'll learn which maintenance tasks matter most for your specific engine, and exactly how Japanese mechanics maintain these engines to reach 500,000 miles. This Japanese mechanic-approved blueprint covers every major system with proven intervals based on real-world data from thousands of engines. If you found these tips helpful, be sure to watch this next video, as I'm sharing insider tips to help you cut repair costs and keep your car running like new.